Hello? Yeah, what's up? What the fuck you calling me for at fucking 10:30 in the fucking night? Yeah, I called you to talk about Moo. You want to talk about Moo? Yeah, Moo. He be in the kitchen, trying to cut his son up. Give his son like a low ball. Then he want to cut his big ball. He want to cut his big ball. Move, he cut his hair. Move. Yeah, he came in the living room with a string dangling from his shirt. It looked like a spider web, and Moon looked like a Spider-Man. The movie coming here. Movie coming here. Trying to feed the kids and shit. He be making some beans and spaghetti and shit. Movie thinking that he extraordinary and shit.